It's on the chill.
So how long before the shoe takes up the tension up the ramping mechanism?
What?
How long does it take before the shoe takes up the slack in the chain? So do that right away, or
For the spill?
the chain shoe? It's on an adjustable ramp, self-adjusting.
Oh, it adjusts it
ratcheting
when I let it go.
How long before it quiets it down after you do that? Instantaneously, or does it take a while?
I don't know, man. Last time it didn't.
Well, you did it yesterday, the day before. What was the difference?
It was quiet.
It's quiet? Well, it ain't quiet now.
No, it's loud. Is it spewing out of the back?
It's dry right now.
Does that mean we
Making a lot of noise, so. Oh well. Alright, we'll be back. Doesn't sound very good. I don't think the extra oil helped it any.
The fucking primary loud, man.
So how much oil to put in with the other quart?
1.5.
Put half of that, or would you put a whole thing in there?
1.5.
Half of that one? Yeah. So you got about a full quart now. Half it went out the brain plug, you said. Yeah, there's something not good in there. Take it apart, see if the chain tensioner correct.
You're right.
Chain tensioner only going one way.
The wrong way?
One way. You can't go in backward.
Something's not right. Check the chain alignment or something. Something's not right. It's making all kinds of noise. Shouldn't be doing that. It's trying to eat itself out. It's not going to get better.
What if we say a prayer?
It might help. Then when it all falls out on the ground, you can pray harder. All right, that's it for now. I'm gonna figure out what they're gonna do.
I'm a little closer.
Try now. Try now.
Adjusting the clutch engagement right now. More free play. So we took it off the jack, 90% noise went away, so we're on the tires now. Putting clay in or taking clay out?
You know, as soon as I do mine, pow.
Which way you going, in or out?
Closing it so it can engage earlier.
You're letting out right off the handlebar.
That should be good, bro. Give it some gas when you do it.
Ooh, this E-Bike's really like the freaking block. Nice grab to it.
Just put the brake on, just drag it a little bit, you'll self-adjust. Edgar got his running too. He's out there somewhere.
That's a camper room running, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the camper out there running. Yeah. Took the bike off. Oh, his bike's in front of my car. Yep, there's the bike right there. You see the wheel. Well, I didn't know if he put baffles inside the drag pipes. I didn't think he did. You know. I think the muffler fell off the camper though. All right, we're making final adjustments here. What's he doing out here?
He's scared of that thing. He don't want to let it go.
What's he doing? Wheelies out here? Gonna crash it. Oh, he's out there in the dirt. Can't be in the dirt. Just get sideways. There goes the cop. Cop right there. We got a squeaky clutch or something there.
Did it do what mine did, like the clack clack noise?
Yeah.
Tire got oil in it.
What did it do, like some like a clack clack noise?
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
What it did, like what mine do?
How tight's the rear belt?
It's the
Rims moved
no,
up.
it's the compensator.
How tight's the rear belt under it?
Huh?
How's the rear belt?
It's not too tight.
Feel it. Well, if it gets too loose, it'll slip too. Is it loose or tight?
That's all right.
Okay. Yeah, just dig in and spin a tire. Scooby likes that.
Oh, the oil on the front tire, man. It's oil on the front tire.
It ain't gonna go down because you got the crab bar in the front and the back. This one, bro, and that one in the back. These.
It's a lot of oil on the tires.
Yeah.
Warm it up. Tatro, ride the thing.
Dad and all the dirt out in the middle of the street, you're over there screwing around.
Tatro, get on the bike.
Nope.
Warm up the tire for him,
We got
Tatro.
a real bike over here.
Tatro, warm up the down tire for him. Show him how to warm up the tire, Tatro.
So behind my toolbox is a box of nuts. Go grab that whole bucket of whole bunch of them. Go find one that fits. On this side over here.
So that's the one.
Toolbox about halfway back the aisle.
Okay.
Just grab the whole little box of nuts.
That,
So we put a longer push rod in here tonight. Get the clutch to work. So had to machine the throwout bearing mechanism. He lost the original one that came with the kicker kit. So I had to modify the stock one to work and put a longer push rod in it. Now his clutch works. Maybe. Lots of projects going around here. Didn't get any work done though. What are you playing over there? What are you guys doing over there? Supposed to be working.
hey, we're done.
You're done. Yeah, they're all done. Good. Maybe Scooby will quit shaking. You done shaking, Scooby? Scooby don't like all those noises. Find the box?
Yep.
Don't use a lock nut. It'll change adjustment as you're trying to go in there. That's a lock nut. Can't use a lock nut. Need to be bigger anyway. Oh, going for the chrome, huh? Yeah, look at that. Is the thread right?
Yeah, it might just be a. I think it is. It might just be.
The threads are screwed up.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, pull it out and throw a die on it. Just go ahead and pull it out. We'll put a die on it. And we'll get a nut that fits. All right, that's it for now on that one.